Are you ready?
Hey, it's Cornfu. This week I'm going to get my Bob Ross on. I actually don't think that's a thing. Plus Bob Ross used oil paints and I'm using acrylic, but I'm going to do a scenery type thing. This painting is special. My wife asked me to do a painting for her mother. I'm going to keep this painting really above board, copacetic. I'm not going to hide any imagery to vampires or things like that in there, because why would I do that? It's for my mother-in-law. But anyway, I'm going to knock this painting out. Hopefully she digs it. So let's jump in and do this. I'm going to shut up before I get in trouble. Hey, we're back. Put a stamp on it. It's complete. I like it. Turned out pretty well. I fought with some of it. You can see in the video where I kind of was changing the shape of the umbrella. Yeah. Lesson learned in this one is you use a photo reference. I didn't use a photo reference, so I was kind of like making stuff up. I hope that doesn't cheapen the value of this gift for my mother-in-law that I didn't use a photo reference. But yeah, lesson learned. It turned out okay though. So April, if you're watching this, I hope not, because I made a reference to a vampire in the beginning of this thing, and I don't think you're a vampire. I hope you have a great birthday, and I hope you enjoy this painting. Thanks. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please give me a like. And I will see you next week. Goodbye.